All new 2025 Indian Roadmaster Trike, the comprehensive guide compared to the Goldwing Trike. The Indian Roadmaster Trike is a unique blend of classic motorcycle heritage and modern engineering, designed to cater to riders seeking comfort, stability, and versatility on three wheels. While Indian Motorcycle does not produce a factory trike model, aftermarket conversions like those from California Sidecar and Roadsmith have become popular among enthusiasts. Here's a detailed look at the features, specifications, and benefits of the Indian Roadmaster Trike. Design and features. Suspension system. The Indian Roadmaster Trike features an advanced suspension system, including a 46mm inverted fork and a rear monoshock. This setup provides exceptional stability and control on uneven terrain, making it suitable for both on-road and off-road adventures. 5. Braking system. Equipped with a more advanced braking system, the Trike ensures smooth and controlled stopping power. This is particularly important for long-distance touring and navigating various road conditions. 5. Engine and drivetrain. The Roadmaster Trike is based on the Indian Roadmaster motorcycle, which is powered by an air-cooled Thunderstroke 116V twin engine. This engine produces 171 Nm of torque at 3000 RPM, providing ample power for both cruising and spirited riding. Engine and transmission. Engine type, air-cooled Thunderstroke 116V twin. Displacement, 1890 cubic centimeters. Max torque, 171 Nm at 3000 RPM. Transmission, 6-speed transmission with a wet multiplate assist clutch. Fuel supply, fuel injection. Dimensions and capacity. Fuel capacity, 20.8 L. Ground clearance, 140 mm. GVWR, 628 kg. Lean angle, 31 degrees. Overall height, 1,415 mm. Overall length, 2,656 mm. Overall width, 1,022 mm. Seat height, 673 mm. Wheelbase, 1,668 mm. Brakes. Front brakes, dual disc brakes with 300 mm floating rotors and 4-piston calipers. Rear brakes, single disc brake with a 300 mm floating rotor and a 2-piston caliper. ABS, dual channel ABS. Suspension. Front suspension, telescopic fork with a 46 mm diameter. Front travel, 119 mm. Rear suspension, single shock with air adjust, providing 114 mm of travel. Tires and wheels. Front tires, 130/80-17. Front wheel, 431.8 mm. Rear tires, 180/60-16. Rear wheel, 406.4 mm. Comfort and ergonomics. The Trike is designed for comfort, featuring a plush seat, heated grips, and an adjustable power windshield. The spacious design accommodates both the rider and passenger comfortably, making it ideal for extended journeys. Additional features include a large trunk, passenger backrest, and adjustable floorboards for enhanced storage and passenger comfort. 1. Off-road capability. The Indian Roadmaster Trike excels in off-road capabilities due to its robust design and advanced suspension system. This makes it an excellent choice for riders who enjoy a mix of on-road and off-road adventures. 5. Stability and control. The Trike's independent rear suspension and longer wheelbase contribute to its stability and control, ensuring a smooth ride even on uneven terrain. The raked triple trees also enhance ease of steering, making it more maneuverable. The Indian Roadmaster Trike is a versatile and comfortable touring option designed for riders who value both on-road and off-road capabilities. Its advanced suspension system, robust braking system, and luxurious features make it an attractive choice for those seeking a premium trike experience. While it may not be a factory-produced model, the aftermarket conversions available ensure that riders can enjoy the benefits of a trike while maintaining the essence of the Indian Roadmaster. For those considering the Indian Roadmaster Trike, it is essential to weigh the benefits of its advanced features against the potential drawbacks of transitioning from a traditional two-wheeled motorcycle. With its exceptional comfort, stability, and performance, the Indian Roadmaster Trike is an excellent option for riders looking to enhance their touring experience.